Hello and welcome to Piston Power. Today, we're reviewing the Bajaj 12-seater rickshaw, a popular choice for public transportation in both urban and rural areas. Let's dive into the details. 1. Design and build quality. The Bajaj 12-seater rickshaw is larger than traditional auto rickshaws and features a sturdy chassis. It comes with a durable metal roof and wide side doors for easy entry and exit. While the design is simple, it is highly functional, prioritizing practicality over aesthetics. 2. Engine performance. This rickshaw is powered by a single-cylinder, 4-stroke engine, known for its fuel efficiency. It has a displacement of around 450 cc to 500 cc, producing approximately 9 to 12 horsepower. There are CNG compressed natural gas and gasoline variants, making it an environmentally friendly option. The top speed is around 50 to 60 km per hour, which is sufficient for city transportation. 3. Ride comfort and seating. Since it accommodates 12 passengers, the seats are designed to maximize space. The suspension has been improved to offer a smoother ride, even on rough roads. However, when fully loaded, the space can feel a bit cramped. 4. Fuel efficiency and maintenance. One of the biggest advantages of the Bajaj 12-seater rickshaw is its excellent fuel efficiency. The CNG variant offers 25 to 30 km per kilogram, while the gasoline model delivers around 20 km per liter. Maintenance costs are low, and spare parts are readily available, making it a cost-effective choice for long-term use. 5. Price and value for money. The price varies by region, but it typically ranges between 200,000 - 300,000 Indian rupees, approximately $2,400 $3,600 United States dollars. Given its capacity and fuel efficiency, it offers great value for money for commercial use. Final verdict. The Bajaj 12-seater rickshaw is an economical, fuel-efficient, and spacious option for public transportation. It's ideal for urban and rural commuting and a good choice for transport businesses. However, space constraints when fully occupied and comfort on long journeys could be minor drawbacks. Still, considering its affordability, fuel efficiency, and low maintenance costs, it remains a highly practical and profitable vehicle. That's it for today's review. Stay tuned for more on Piston Power.